Okay, today we are going to be using the sight word the in our writing. See, I have it up here. Oh, and I have it right here. Yes, we have the right here. Thank you, Sally. Now, Sally, I want to make sure, first of all, that the boys and girls have their colors that they need. They're red, yellow, and green. So boys and girls, make sure you have that. And then let's take a look at the sentence that we're going to write today. So we're going to use these two sight words that we already know. Sally, will you read them? I see. Very good. Now let's use this one. Oh, the. I'm so excited to use it. Yep, I've got a pretty orange one right here, so I'm going to slip this right in here. Oh, I see the pig. Pig, put that down there, please. Okay, look at that. Let's read it one more time. We've got all of these awesome words we're going to write. Read it, Sally. I see the pig. Very good. Okay, let's pick up our pencils. Boys and girls, if I ever go too fast, you can just pause the video, okay? And we need to remember that this is our sky. This is our grass. Boys and girls, if you want to put your blue and your green in there, you can. I'm going to leave mine blank today, so you could try to do that too if you'd like to. Okay, what's the first thing? We need a capital at the beginning. Okay, so this is a capital I, uppercase I. So we're going to do that right over here at the beginning. Oh, and make it green. Even if we have I in our sentence somewhere else, it would always be a capital. But we want to make sure it's definitely a capital right now because that's how we start our sentence for go. Now, what comes next? Finger space. Okay, so finger space, and then what's the next word? C. Okay, so let's go ahead and have our finger space, and then we'll do C. And when we write our S, we need to keep our little ant trail underneath the bumpy road. Okay, keep it down. It's a lowercase s, and then our E's are also lowercase, so they need to be under the bumpy road. If you need to pause the video, you can, okay? What's the next part, Sally? Oh, finger space. Okay, so finger space, or if you're a lefty, you can count 4 little dots, and then we'll start with T-H-E. Oh, that's the sight word. Look at that. The. Okay, so finger space, or count 1, 2, 3, 4, and start with your T all the way at the top to the bottom. Cross it. Even though it's lowercase, this one does have to come top to bottom. Some of our lowercase letters have to go all the way to the top because they're tall, just like the H. The H has a little tall piece too, so keep this part under the bumpy road. And then our E goes right here. I see the, what's our last word, Sally? Oh, it's pig, but make sure you do a finger space. Oh, yes, okay, finger space, finger space, finger space. Super important, okay. And then we're going to do our P. So our P is a digger. He's going to go under the grass, into the dirt, and we're going to do our little belly like that. Our I is going to stay under the bumpy road. Little dot can go above. And our G, we're going to make our circle, and we're going to start our little monkey tail and go under the grass into the dirt. It's our digger, okay? So now we've finished all of the words. What goes at the end, Sally? A period. Yep, a period. What color does the period need to be, boys and girls? Red. Yep, if you said red, you are right. I'm going to make that red. Don't make it too big, okay? All right, now we have one more thing we have to do with our yellow. What's that, Sally? Boys and girls, what is it? You are correct. It is finger spaces. Okay, so let's make sure that we have a finger space in between these two words, and a finger space in between these two words, and a finger space in between these two words. And boys and girls, again, if I'm going a little fast, you can just stop and you can catch up. All right, or you can always watch me first and then you can do yours. Whatever works best for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the sentence. Can I count the words first? Oh, yes, count them. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 words. Look up here, we had 4 too. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. finger spaces. Make sure we don't smush those words together. We keep them separated, okay? And boys and girls, will you read the sentence along with us? Sally, you go ahead and start, and the boys and girls will read it with you. I see the pig. Oh, you wrote very neatly, just like Polly Pocket says. Yes, we wrote very neatly. And it looks like you also made a sentence that makes sense. Oh, that's right. Our sentence makes sense. I see the pig. That makes sense. I do see a pig. Now, Sally, I am going to be drawing a picture here of my pig, and the boys and girls can go and draw their picture of their pig, and then we will be back in a snap. Okay, boys and girls, this is the picture that I did. I added some hills and some clouds and a sun and some flowers, and you can do whatever you would like to do to your picture. Okay, have fun and be creative.